Hey guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seshul and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings, Christmas edition. So today finally we're going to be making the most awaited recipe and the most requested recipe in my Instagram. So please make sure to follow my Instagram if you haven't. I'll put my ID here. So the usual or the traditional ones usually contains alcohol like rum or brandy. Today we're going to be making it with non-alcohol, so make sure you're watching this video till the end. So in traditional recipe, they usually soak fruits and nuts for like months, and in this recipe you don't need to soak it for like months. So you can try this cake before 2-3 days before the Christmas, because you can try it and then you can make it. You will really enjoy by making this. So without any further ado, let's get started.
First we will do our Christmas soak. For that, half a cup of almonds, half a cup of cashews, and half a cup of walnuts, and 1/4 cup of black raisins, and 1/4 cup of sultanas, and half a cup of Tutti Frutti, and 1 whole cup of mixed berries, and half a cup of cherries. Give that a mix. Now here I am adding grape juice. You can use orange juice as well. Pour it till it fills everything till the top, and give that a pat mix. Now take it to microwave and heat it for 8 to 10 minutes till you see the fruits and nuts have soaked. Now give that a stir and make sure it cools down before you're placing it in the fridge. And now you need to place this in fridge for 2 days. Now we have to make the sugar spice. For that I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons of sugar and 1 cinnamon stick and 4 cardamom and about 5 to 6 cloves and 1 nutmeg. You have to grate that really well. If you get hands on these nutmeg seed, do use them. You can also use nutmeg powder and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. And you need to grind them really well into a fine nice powder. Now keep that aside. Now we will make a plum cake. For that I am having 4 eggs and half a cup of melted butter. This is unsalted butter. Now add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Can use normal sugar, but brown sugar gives really good color. And whisk that. Now add the sugar spice which we have grinded. Add all of them. Now add vanilla extract, or you can add essence as well, and whisk that really well. Now add the lemon zest, which is the outer part of the lemon, and you need to grate that out. And whisk that really well. Now you need to sieve all the dry ingredients. First we will be adding and a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and sieve that really well. Now combine that really well with stirring. Now it's the best part. We'll be adding our Christmas soak which we have prepared 2 days before. Now add onto them. Now combine that really well. Please do not over mix, just give it a stir. Now keep that aside. We will prepare our cake tin. Here I have placed butter, and then on top of that I placed parchment paper. And now we will pour the batter onto our cake tin. Now place the cake tin above a baking tray so that if any leakage, it will not harm you. Now bake this at 170 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now please make sure to rest or cool down the cake for about 30 minutes or more, because the cake needs to really calm down. Now it's ready. We will do decoration for our cake. Here I have stencil which I have made it from paper, cut out. I have made a Christmas tree. You can use any shape you want. And I'm just going to use icing sugar to powder it over the top of the stencil. Make sure it covers all the sides. And gently remove the stencil as I have shown here. Now that our Christmas tree is ready, if you see any leakage of sugar here and there, just adjust it. Voila, it's done. Enjoy!
So now let's just taste it. Here we have. Well, that was a very delicious cake. Please make sure you're giving this recipe a try and do comment how you enjoyed watching this. And when you try this, please do send me the pictures. I would love to watch them. Please send it to me on Instagram. I'll put my ID here again. So please make sure to send me so that I could check them out. So if you enjoy watching this video, please make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and for your opinions and suggestions, please do comment below. I would really love to hear it from them. And please do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Until then, ciao!